Samantala, palapit na ang Black Friday, ang isa sa pinakamalaking shopping days sa North America. Ang payo ng isang financial advisor para makatipid ngayong taon sa report na ito.
I do think that Black Friday and all these things are really good because on the things that you want, it is available to you at a better rate.
Malapit na ang isa sa pinaka-busy shopping days ng taon sa North America, ang Black Friday, na magaganap sa Biyernes, November 29.
This is a great time to get the gifts that you want for Christmas for other people because you're getting it at a discounted rate, and whatever your kids or your parents are looking for, it is at a really good rate.
Pero kahit na laganap ang sales at deals sa Black Friday, ayon sa isang Vancouver financial advisor, kailangan daw magkaroon ng listahan o budget para sa inyong gastos nang hindi maubos ang pera sa shopping.
Limits. Having a limit on what you want to spend on something.
Aniya, maaaring makatipid sa Black Friday sa paghahanap ng non-name brand items.
Taking a look at what you are looking for in features. I think that's one of the things that many people don't realize is they want the best of something, but maybe the features that they need or don't really care for will actually lessen that price. So for example, do we really need to have a top brand of a blender when a lot of the blenders really do the same thing?
Maraming retailers din daw ang binababa na ang mga presyo ng paninda nila para sa buong linggo at hindi lamang sa Biyernes, kaya mag-window shopping daw ng maaga.
I've pretty much almost done my Christmas shopping. And I got done probably about 35 to 40% less than what I would spend after that.
Ang pinaka-importanteng payo ng financial advisor, magtipid ng pera ilang buwan o linggo bago mag-Black Friday para hindi ma-stress sa utang.
And so you can actually plan this out throughout the year if you do wish to do that. And if you do have a plan for it, you won't have much of a guilt in buying it when it's ready.
At yan ang mga balita ngayon araw. Itong Omni News Filipino. Maraming salamat po.